Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this trapezoid ABCD along with these diagonals BD and AC, as you can see in this given diagram, such that this diagonal AC length is 19 units, whereas this diagonal BD length is 15 units. And moreover, this angle ADC is 135 degrees. And furthermore, these are our 90 degrees angles. And now our task is to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started, and here's our very first step. Let's focus on this trapezoid ABCD. And since we are interested in calculating the area of this trapezoid, and now let's recall the area of a trapezoid formula. Area is always equal to height h times the sum of the bases a and b all over 2. So therefore I'm going to label this base AB as lowercase a, the base CD as lowercase b, and the height of this trapezoid as lowercase h. So therefore now our task is to find the value of a, the value of b, and the value of height lowercase h. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle ABC. And we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 19, whereas our two other legs are a and h. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got a square plus h square equals to 19 square. Let's simplify. We are going to get a square plus h square equal to 361, and I'm going to label this one as our equation number 1. And now we are going to focus on this other right triangle BCD as well, and we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle as well. And here's our Pythagorean theorem once again: a square plus b square equal to c square. And here in our case, our hypotenuse is 15, whereas our two other legs are lowercase b and height h. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got b square plus h square is going to be equal to 15 square. Let's simplify furthermore. So b square plus h square is going to be equal to 225, and now I'm going to label this one as our equation number 2. So thus we are ended up with this system of two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. And now we are going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So let's go ahead and subtract. I'm going to change this positive sign to negative, likewise negative and negative as well. And here we can see positive h square and negative h square, they are gone. So therefore we are ended up with a square minus b square is going to be equal to, and if we subtract these two numbers, we are going to get 136. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 3. And in this next step, I have dropped this perpendicular DE on this base AB. Then we can see this is our 90 degrees angle, and the whole angle is 135. So therefore, this remaining angle ADE has got to be 45 degrees angle. And now we know that this angle is a 90 degrees angle. This is our 45 degrees angle. So therefore, this remaining angle has got to be 45 degrees angle as well. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle DEA. And now we can see this is an isosceles triangle, since this angle is 45 degrees and this angle is 45 degrees as well. So therefore we conclude that this segment AE length is going to be equal to this segment DE length. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this EB segment length is going to be equal to this segment length lowercase b. So this is lowercase b, and we know this whole base AB is lowercase a. So therefore this segment AE length has got to be lowercase a minus lowercase b. And since this segment AE length is a minus b, therefore this DE length has got to be a minus b as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see that this DE length is same as this height lowercase h. So therefore we can conclude that this lowercase h is equal to a minus b. So I can write h equals to a minus b, and I'm going to label this one as our equation number 4. And now let's focus on this equation 3. And here I have copied down equation 3, a square minus b square equal to 136. And now let's recall this famous identity. A square minus b square could be written as the product of a minus b times a plus b. And we are going to apply the identity on the left hand side of this equation. So therefore we could write this one as a minus b times a plus b equals to 136. And now let's focus on this equation 4. We know a minus b equals to h. So therefore I'm going to replace this a minus b with the lowercase h over here. So therefore we are ended up with the lowercase h times a plus b equals to 136. And I'm going to label this one as our equation number 5. And here's our final step. Now we are going to calculate the area of this trapezoid ABCD. And now let's recall once again the area of the trapezoid. Area equals to height h times a plus b all over 2. And now we can see h times a plus b value from this equation 5 equals to 136. So therefore I'm going to replace this whole numerator with 136. So therefore the trapezoid ABCD area is going to be 136 divided by 2, and if we simplify we are going to get 68 square units, the area of this trapezoid ABCD. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of this trapezoid ABCD turns out to be 68 square units. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.